Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create group chat on Facebook Messenger. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook Messenger and then you click here on the paper and pencil icon. After that you click create a new group. Now just select the person who you want to join the group. If I choose, for example, here one and here 1, 2. After that, just click create. Now there are 2 in the group. And after that, just click name. And now just you can give any name of the group. For example, if I write friends and then just click OK. This is what you need to do if you want to create group chat on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.